Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we will make flyers using Canva. These flyers can be used to sell in various platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. So, let's get started. Open a blank page on Canva. Select background color. Then select product image. You can use any. But for this example, I am using coffee image. So we will be making flyer for a coffee company. Adjust as per need. Add a heading for your flyer describing your product. Adjust the size of the text. Let's add coffee beans in the background to make it more appealing to potential customers. Now let's add a shadow at the bottom of the coffee to make it more realistic. We will add more text to attract more buyers. Now, as we have learned how to design a social media ads design, now we can sell our services on Fiverr, Upwork, and other freelancing platforms. That's all from today's video. Thanks for watching my video. Like, share, and subscribe.